Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Mountain Retreat Donner Ski Bowl. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Mountain Retreat Donner Ski Bowl has accommodations in Truckee. Featuring an ATM, this property also provides guests with a playground. All rooms have a patio. The rooms at the hotel come with a TV and a kitchen. With a private bathroom equipped with a shower and free toiletries, rooms at Mountain Retreat Donner Ski Bowl also feature free Wi-Fi, while certain rooms come with a mountain view. At the accommodation, rooms have bed linen and towels. Guests at Mountain Retreat Donner Ski Bowl will be able to enjoy activities in and around Truckee, like skiing and cycling. The nearest airport is Reno-Tahoe International Airport, 42 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.